Here's the question. Can I search Gmail, Google Workspace for free Gmail, for messages that were sent to a person's name and not look for their email address? I want to, an example, I want to find messages that were sent to Teddy or messages that were sent to Rebecca, not messages that were sent to T.L. Burris at Burris Consulting or R.L. Burris at Burris Consulting. It's a little tedious to do, but I'll show you how you can do it. You go to search mail, and I can type in Rebecca, and I can hit enter, and it's going to find the two messages that are in my 62 messages that have the word Rebecca in the message. Well, I don't want to find messages like that. I want to find messages sent to. So instead of putting the words here and has words, which is the default, I need to put it up here, and then I can hit search. And now it's going to look for only the messages sent to. Can I put a space in front of that? Let me say, sent to Rebecca. So that's the string right there. To Rebecca. Now I can also say find messages from, and I can say find messages from Teddy. And there's the one message from Teddy, and it actually is from Teddy Burris at tlburris.com, but it is the only message in the total, I think, 36 messages I have. And there's one message from Teddy, and all the rest are Google alerts are from me. Bottom line, the string is this: from and a name, or you can also change that and say to a name. And it'll find all the messages that are to Teddy, or let's do the Rebecca because it's a smaller list, all the messages that are to Rebecca. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.